So hello guys, my name is Arun Kumar Mehta. I am from Jharkhand. Today I have come here to English speaking. So guys, I want to learn today. Nowadays I am learning English because English is a very important language because anywhere because in mobile in anywhere in any medicine everywhere written in english so I can't read them and understand them. So guys, nowadays I am learning english that I read them and I understand them and I speak them. So guys, you do you do not you do not you do not you do not learn english, then you can't understand the thing what is written in english, in mobile, in medicine and any other things. Also guys, every books in english, also every books in english, so I don't don't I read them properly. Some sentences I don't read correctly and their pronunciation is not, I do not know, but common sentences, common words I read properly and correctly. So guys, uh, but I can't speak English correctly and all the all the grammar rules I don't know, but I know some common rules and some examples like tenses and grammars I know, but I do not know um, all the rules of grammars. Gradually I learn all the rules of grammars and I'm trying to speaking English. You guys, everyone want to speak English, but they do not speak in English. They do not want to speak English. In which way? In which way? How to speak English? You guys, you know when everybody think everybody want to speak english, but they do not speak in english because they want, when i when I learn all that, when they learn all the rules and all the grammar rules and all vocabulary, then I start english speaking, but they do not do this. English is not a English is not a subject. English is a language. So guys, you when a when a child when you are a child, then how to learn your mother tongue language? Then you listen anybody say, you listen and try to repeat them and you learn english. So guys, just like that, uh, english is a language. English is a language. Everybody learn it by speaking and writing and reading. So guys, if you want to speak English, then you speak what you know, you speak. You don't worry, you just speak. everybody say hmm, everybody say you do not learn any grammar rules, any any grammar rules, an- any advanced sentences, any advanced words, you 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 what you know, then speak in English. What you know, then speak in English. So guys, if you like my video, if you like my video, then so subscribe my channel, and like my video, and then share my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.